Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely refill distilled water in an inverter battery. Proper maintenance helps improve battery performance and extend its lifespan. Let's get started. Before touching the battery, safety comes first. Switch off the main power supply and then turn off the inverter. This helps prevent electrical hazards while working on the battery. Now carefully open the battery cover to access the battery cells. Check the water level indicator on each battery cell carefully. If the water level is below the recommended mark or the indicator shows a low level, it's time to top up the cell with distilled water. Always use distilled battery water. Never use tap water, filtered water or mineral water, as impurities can reduce battery life. Pour a small amount into a clean glass or container. This makes it easier to refill each battery cell without spilling. Carefully open the battery cell cap using a coin before adding water. Slowly pour the distilled water into the battery cell. Do not overfill. Fill only until the level indicator reaches the recommended mark. As the water reaches the correct level, you'll notice the indicator needle rising. This confirms that the compartment has enough water. Carefully close the battery cell cap using a coin. Repeat the same process for all the battery compartments. Check each one individually and refill only if needed. Once all the compartments are filled correctly, close every battery cap tightly. Now check all the battery indicators once again. Make sure every compartment shows the correct water level. Everything is complete. Turn on the mains power supply first and then switch on the inverter. Your battery is now ready for normal operation. That's how you can safely refill distilled water in an inverter battery. Regular maintenance can help improve battery performance and increase its lifespan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.